Every year in the spring, the Mecklenburg Board of County Commissioners, the Charlotte City Council, and elected boards for the towns of Cornelius, Davidson, Huntersville, Matthews, Mint Hill, and Pineville determine a property tax rate. Shortly after, you receive your annual property tax bill from the Mecklenburg County Tax Collector. The bills are mailed every year by the end of July, and you should receive it during the first week or two of August. If your mortgage company pays your property tax bill, they'll get the bill and should pay it from your escrow account. But you'll get notification since you are ultimately responsible for making sure your tax bill gets paid. These taxes pay for critical services like police and fire protection, trash and recycling pickup, transportation and street maintenance, plus water and sewer. Your taxes protect children and senior citizens, guard public health, fund parks and green space, keep our air and water clean, and much more. This is why it's important to pay your property tax bill on time so you can benefit from the many services they provide. Payment for your 2025 tax bill is officially due on September 1st. You have until January 5th, 2026 to pay the bill without accruing interest. By law in North Carolina, interest on a late payment will accrue at a rate of 2% for January and 0.75% for each month after. The amount of your tax bill is calculated using the rate set by your elected officials based on the value of your property. Your real estate value is assessed for tax purposes by Mecklenburg County every 4 years based on its estimated market value. Here's what your bill or notification looks like. It includes a description of your property, its assessed value, Mecklenburg County's tax allocation, the City of Charlotte or the town's allocation, depending on where you live, other line items, and a payment stub unless your mortgage company is paying it. If your property is an unincorporated area of Mecklenburg County, that is, not in city or town limits, your bill will include charges for fire and police protection. Mecklenburg County partners with the City of Charlotte, the towns, and volunteer fire departments to provide police, fire, and first responder services for residents who don't already pay for those services through city or town taxes. If you're paying the bill yourself, it will include options for payment. You can pay in cash at the tax collector's office, pay by check or money order, pay by credit or debit card. Be aware there is an additional fee for using the credit or debit option. You can pay by electronic check, also known as e-check, or you can pay via your bank's online bill pay system. But Mecklenburg County does not recommend the online bill pay system, just in case the payment is rejected for some reason. Interest accumulated because of this cannot be removed later from your tax bill. Payment submitted by mail is marked received as of the date on the postmark. If there is no date on the postmark, the payment is considered received when it arrives at the office. Be aware, if you don't get a tax bill for some reason, you are still responsible for making sure your taxes are paid on time. If you're a homeowner with limited income and need help addressing rising home costs, including taxes, check out Mecklenburg County's Homes program. Depending on your income, you can get up to $650 this year toward your Mecklenburg County tax bill. Davidson residents could get an additional $534. Visit mecnc.gov/4homes to learn more about applying. And there are other tax relief programs available for senior citizens, disabled residents, veterans, owners of historic properties, and others. We're here to help. If you have any questions about your property tax bill, visit tax.mecnc.gov. Call us at 704-336-7600 or email us at tax@mecnc.gov. Or you can speak with us face-to-face at our office at the Valerie C. Woodard Center located at 3205 Freedom Drive in Charlotte. Entrance E. Our offices are open Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.